Hey praisers and savers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandy. We're heading into Target today. Today is July the 3rd, but these deals started on July the 2nd. I did my CVS video yesterday, so if you haven't watched that, please go back and watch the CVS video and also Publix last week. We still have a couple days left on the Publix haul. So I wanted to announce that my sister-in-law, Sarah Hall, is the winner of the gift card. And so I actually sent her a gift card because she won last time. She won a $10 Chick-fil-A gift card on my video. And so I already sent her that card, so I wanted to do something different. So this gift card is for $25, and you can do Ulta, Grubhub, Spa Finder, Lowe's, Topgolf, or Chili's. And I know they have a Grubhub that they use, the Grubhub subscription. So I'm sending this to you, sister. Yay for you! All you have to do to be entered in the giveaway is to comment below whether you want to comment the deal of the day or you want to comment a question or anything that you want to know. Just comment below, and that helps you to be entered in the giveaway. And I usually do like a $10 Chick-fil-A gift card or $10 Target gift card, so we'll work that out if you are the winner. So that's awesome. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you are here. I do a lot of practical couponing deals for a family of 7. So you may not always see all of the most free items on my videos, but they're going to be the most practical items for my family, and I'm hoping for yours as well. If you are new, please make sure that you click that subscribe button and click that notification bell to all so you know when all of my videos are coming out. Also, please go ahead if you would like and click that like button. It helps me a ton when you guys like my videos and comment on the videos. It helps to push those videos out to other people who are in the same realm as you as couponers. As always, there is a printable breakdown in the description box. You can either print it off to take in the store with you, or you can just pull it up on your phone. No need to write any of these deals down. As always, please join me on my TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram channels at Praising and Saving. Let's go ahead and get started. So the first offer we have is a moneymaker on the Off Clean Feel Insect Repellent. These are $7.49. We have 3 different offers on the Target app. Now we have a 20% off. Now 20% off of $7.49 is $1.49. We also have a $3 save $3 on the off, and then we have a Target Circle $3 off. So that is a total right there of $7.49. It will be totally free if you just use the Target app and have all 3 of those offers there. In addition to that, we're going to go over to the IBOTTA app and submit for $3 back. So with the 2 coupons, the percentage off and the IBOTTA rebate, this would be a $3 moneymaker on the Off Clean Feel Insect Repellent. The next thing we have are the Swiffer duster kits. These are $5.49. This is the one that has the wand and 5 dusters in it. There is a $4 off manufacturer coupon on the Target app, making these $1.49. Now, this week, there are deals on like Swiffer, Tide, all these products that if you spend, if you buy 3, you get $10 back. They are not good this week because the coupons aren't good on the items. So I would not even worry about getting the large packs of Swiffer. I would stick to the small pack this time and just bypass laundry items this week at Target. They are a no-go. Now, this Children's Allegra is a great deal on these. We're going to be getting this for just 60 cents, which is a great deal. So the Allegra is $11.29. We do have a percentage off coupon, a 15% off coupon. So 15% off $11.29 is $1.69. We also have a $5 Target Circle offer. That's going to come off. And then after that, we're going to submit our receipt to IBOTTA for $4 back. So with the $5 coupon, the 15% off, and the $4 IBOTTA rebate, our total is going to be 60 cents on this children's Allegra. Great deal. So we have a easy moneymaker on the Clorox To Go Pack 9-count. These are going to be in your travel section in Target. And what I did was, you're going to pick up 2 of these. These 99-cent packs, there's 9 in a pack. Pick up 2. Your total will be $1.98. Then you'll submit to Swagbucks for 250 Swagbucks or $2.50, making this a 52-cent moneymaker. I do want to show you the eligible products that are listed on Swagbucks. And yes, the 9-count is listed. So it is one of the qualifying purchased items. Now, the great thing about this deal is you can do it twice. You can get 4 packs and get back $5. So it'll be a money maker then if you do that of $1.04. All right, next item we have is an easy deal. This is on the Febreze 1-count plug warmer. These are $3.29. We do have a Target Circle offer for $2.30, making it just 99 cents for the Febreze 1-count warmer. These are great to get. I'll get these with the little refills, and I'll make a little basket for my kids' teacher, because I know a lot of times that these are much appreciated in a classroom. So I'll get them one of these in little smelly packs when we're doing back to school type gifts. Something different for your kids' teacher than the same old pencils and paper that they're used to getting. In the last Target video, we got these Caesar multi-packs for free, but this time it's going to be about $5. Still a good deal. So the Caesar multi-packs are $16.99. There is a $5 IBOTTA rebate. Now, I've already used this, so it reset for me in my gallery. It's going to be there for you as well. All right. You're also going to submit for these Caesar multi-packs to coupons.com for $5. So I've already submitted that as well, like I said before. So this has come back for me. So you got a $5 on Ibotta. You've got a $5 on Coupons app, coupons.com. And then over on Shopkicks, you have about a $1.80 on Shopkicks. So with the $5 from coupons.com, the $5 from Ibotta, and the $1.80 from Shopkicks, it will make this large pack of Caesars that are $16.99. It's going to make it $5.19. This is a really good deal. And guys, I'm really pushing for this, but for such a long time after the pandemic, we were having a difficult time getting dog food and cat food. Just various things were happening. So now we've been getting more deals on dog food and cat food and things. So go ahead and make sure you're stocking up on it while the deals are out. So you guys know, if you've watched my previous videos, that I get a little upset when I buy these Crystal Light for the drink mixes. My daddy recently passed away like a month ago, and I always got these for him when they were on sale. So just be thinking about me as I think about my daddy. So what we're going to do is, these are usually $2.79, but they're on sale 2 for $5. We're picking up both boxes. It'll be $5. We have a $1.50 coupon from the Coupons app. And then we also have 85 cents on Ibotta. And because we're picking up 2 boxes, we're going to get that 85 cents back twice. So with the $1.50 coupon from the Coupons app and the $1.70 back from Ibotta, our total will be $1.80 or 90 cents per box of Crystal Light single packs. Our next deal is going to be on the Country Time lemonade. These are $3.59. We have a 30% off on the Target app. 30% off of that is $1.08. So already going to make it a little bit lower. Our total will be $2.51 at the register. And then on the Ibotta app, you're going to get 80 cents back. And this can be done up to 5 times if you choose to do so. With the $1.88 off and the 80 cents from IBOTTA, the total is going to be $1.71. I thought this was a really good deal on the Airwick refills. This is the 2 refills. And so it's on the Vibrant. It only is on the Vibrant ones. So it's going to be $4 off, which is really good. So $7.39 on these, and there's a $4 manufacturer coupon on the Target app. So with that $4 off coupon, it's going to make these $3.39. These are pricey. It's a pricey item. So anytime that I can get a good deal on the refills, I always do. So yeah, $4 off coupon will make them $3.39 each. So the Blink Contact Dry Contact is $6.69. Now be careful because you don't want to get the regular solution. The dry eye solution is like $9.99. This is going to be where the contacts are. So $6.69 for these. We do have a $3 coupon on the Target app. It's going to make these just $3.69. Good deal if you have contacts and you need these. Great deal on this Neutrogena Clear Pore Oil Eliminating Astringent. I actually have been using this. I got this at CVS last week, so I like this a lot. But these are $5.59. There is a $3 coupon that is attaching on the Coupons app. With that $3 coupon, it's going to make this astringent $2.59. This is a really good deal on these. I know that some people were getting the Neutrogena grapefruit kind that has the exfoliation. But my store doesn't carry that. But this is my alternative. So good deal on these. All right, guys, so I have shared with you 11 amazing deals at Target this week. If you enjoyed all of these deals, please make sure you smash that like button and click that subscribe button. I have enjoyed sharing these deals with you guys. Don't forget about the printable breakdown in the description box. And please join me on Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook at Praising and Saving. I would love to have you on my social media platforms. I will see you guys next time when I head to Publix.